Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to get Peacock TV on Firestick. In order to get Peacock TV on Firestick, you could follow these steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to go to the home screen and select the magnifying glass. First of all, to go to the home screen and select the magnifying glass. After that, you want to select the App Store graphics. Next thing you want to do is search for the Peacock and select the Peacock app icon. After which you want to select the download icon and press the get button and then tap on install and press the iPlay icon. Once done, select the pick a plan option and then sign up for Peacock, and that way you will be able to get the Peacock TV on Firestick. So you could also see that you could also use your voice control to download Peacock TV. That is, you need to press and hold the voice command button on your remote and say Peacock. Select Peacock TV from the app and game section and click on get. If you've already had a Peacock TV account, you could sign in, or you could just go ahead and create your account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.